Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saroj and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Number. And today I am doing my short documentary review and my topic is changing climate and changing lives. Today we are going to talk about one of the biggest challenges facing our world, climate change. Our documentary is called Changing Climate and Changing Lives. Climate changing is not just about rising temperature, it is changing the way people live, work and survive all around the world. From stronger storms or to longer drought, its effect can be seen almost everywhere. Let's explore that climate change is how it affects our lives and what we can do to protect our planets. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term change in the Earth's weather pattern and average temperature. Over the past century, the Earth's temperature has been increasing because of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. These gases are released when we burn coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transportation, and industry. Deforestation also makes the problem worse because trees absorb carbon dioxide when forests are cut down, less carbon dioxide is removed from the air. As a result, our planet is becoming warmer. The impact of nature. Climate change is not only changing human life, it is also affecting nature. Many animals are losing their natural habits because forests are disappearing, oceans and warming, and ice is polar region is melting. Coral reefs, often called the rainforest of the sea, are being damaged by rising ocean temperature. The good news is that everyone can help. Small actions, when taken by millions of people, can make a big difference. We can save electricity by turning off lights when they are not needed. We can reduce waste by recycling and using materials. Planting trees help absorb carbon dioxide and improves air quality. Using public transportation, walking or riding a bicycle can reduce pollution. We can also save water, avoid single-use plastic, and support clean energy whenever possible. So, around the world, scientists, engineers, government, and communities are working together to fight climate change. Climate change is one of the greatest challenge of our time, but it is also an opportunity for all us to make better choices. Every action matters, whether it's planting a tree, saving energy, reducing waste, or teaching others about protecting the environment. Each step helps build a better future. The earth is our only home, and its future depends on the decision we make today. Together, we can protect our planet for ourselves and for future generations. Thank you so much for watching Changing Climate and Changing. If you enjoyed this documentary, I will share it on all my social media accounts. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad Khuda.